welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my Jelly Squishy collection. This is the package that came in from Amazon, and there are 20 I believe in here. There was 21, but I gave one to my friend because, you know, for a gift. So yeah, so let's get started with the package we're showing in my guide. So let's just pour them all out. They're all on the floor right here. So yeah. There's one, my first ever one that made me want to get these was this one from Justice, the Squishmallows. The name was Devin Dog, so I had to get it because its name was Devin like mine. Spelled the same way as mine, so I had to get it. And this is the only one that I opened. I haven't opened any of these except for this one, and it gets very dirty as you can see. I want to keep them in the packaging, but it is so cute and super sticky and stretchy, and they're just like that, but it's super sticky and stuff. And should I do that or something? No, I can't do that. Yeah, never mind. I'm not gonna. But yeah, catching my face, but whatever. I don't really mind. Hope you guys don't mind either. So that one's done. Next, I'm doing it in a random order. We have this pink, big, round elephant. It is an elephant indeed. With the thingy, tusks, no, the nose thingy, that's what that was called, and the ears and stuff. But yeah, here it is. It's very nice. I can't see it, but yeah. Next we have this cat, I believe. It's really plain and simple. It's white. And as I mentioned in my last video, if you want to trade package with me, trade squishies with me, I have like 5 up for trade right now. Watch that video. It'll be the last video I posted yesterday. And I will be giving you one of these as an extra, along with one mini squishy or a little toy and a little handwritten note. So yeah, if you want to see, sorry, there's skimming in the background, but if you want to trade a squishy package with me, trade squishies with me, then comment down below on this video or in the other video. I'll be right back. Just cream. Hold on. We have this little thing, tiger thingy. But as I was saying, just comment down below on that video. Yes, I posted yesterday. And then, oh my god, I'm so sorry. The problem last year, next we have this like beaver looking thingy. Not for sure, but it's nice. So yeah, if you want one of these burgers with me, it's just a little pig. It's hard to see, but it is a pig. It's really hard to see through the packaging because it's like so like wrinkly and stuff, but it is pig. I can see it better than you guys probably can. This is I have no idea what it is, honestly. It has like 1, 2, 3, 4 horns and like a red nose. I don't know. I might be a made up animal. I don't know what it is, honestly, but yeah. Next we have this little cat. It's easier to see. This is one of the harder ones. I call them jelly squishies. There are also called mochi squishies. So yeah. Or like fox or a dog, or whatever you want to call it, is laying down. Kind of hard to see. Trying to. This pig, I have a couple pigs, a couple cats, a lot of cats actually, but yeah. There we go. This dog is up, and it's really cute and detailed, as you can see. This one's pretty soft as well. Actually, really soft. Wow. Okay. I've tried to do the softer ones so you actually want to like them more, so I tried to make that happier. So koala, if you guys can see that, yeah. So koala. They're super soft. And then this is squish. Next, I have no idea what this is, but might be like a deer or something. It has like those pinky antlers or something. Might be a deer, something in that sort, at least something like that. But it is. I'm really sorry for this gaming in the beginning. It's gone now, so sorry about that. This bear-looking thing reminds me of Rilakkuma. Actually, Rilakkuma because it's more like on the whitish side. Rilakkuma is white, but whatever. This is one of my favorite because it's like this one. This is like to be like one of the famous ones, the little cat one. I probably will be sending this to you because this is one of my favorites and I love this one very much. I have 3 favorites. This one was like the softest one, this shark. Look at this question, absolutely nothing. Oh my god, it's so soft. And this gigantic, this is like huge. This big like polar bear. It's pretty like sized to this one, so and it's really nice. It's a little bit hard, but it's still actually no, it's actually pretty nice to squish, but yeah. 3 more. Have this chick with one eye, legit one eye, but it's pretty nice to squish. You have this little bunny. Bunny's ears and stuff. Super soft. And lastly, we have this bear laying down on its back. Okay, that's the video. If you want to trade with me, I already said this, I'll say it again just in case. Go to my last video, comment down below. I showed you, comment down with your email, and I'll email you this email. We talk about this question you want to send me, I'll send you. Then address it, and then we ship, and then we do that. So yeah, have a great day. So make sure to like, subscribe, comment down below, and have a great day. Bye.